Thank you, Alice. And in other news, the national government announced that next February 20th, the national vaccination plan against the coronavirus will begin. The health authorities of the archipelago are getting ready to be part of the first phase of immunization.
Health professionals of the department are already preparing for the handling and application of the vaccines against COVID-19. Just a few days before the national vaccination plan against the coronavirus, the Secretary of Health of the island are adjusting the protocols for the first phase of the vaccination.
All these guidelines for vaccination against COVID-19 come from the Ministry of Health. The ministry has made an analysis of other departments which have greater vulnerability or greater population at risk in order to minimize that risk, and San Andres was contemplated within the prioritized departments. Several trainings have already been done to the personnel here in San Andres. The provision is being made for the vaccination of COVID-19. In the first phase, the most urgent are adults over 80 years of age with or without comorbidities, the medical staff of first care against COVID-19, and those are the fundamentals. We have already sent the information required by the Ministry of Health to have the prioritization and for us to be willing to receive the vaccines and start this process.
Although it has not yet been defined when the first vaccines will arrive to the archipelago, the national government announced that for the next week, they will have ready the web portal My Vaccine, where all Colombians will be able to know in which phase of the national vaccination plan they are and their vaccination programs.